Chelsea Swift joins us now in the control room with more on the spike in cases, including a frustrated county executive who met with the media today.
Jill and Sean, that's right. Medical experts say these high case numbers are the result of indoor gatherings among unvaccinated people. The county executive expressing her frustration at a COVID briefing today. As COVID case numbers increase across Erie County, healthcare providers and county officials say vaccination rates are still not high enough to stop the spread of COVID. The county reporting 259 new COVID cases and 4 more deaths.
It's hard to believe, 21 months into this, that we are at this point when other countries are clamoring for more vaccine for their people. So it's a difficult moment.
One local doctor says the increase in hospitalizations puts a strain on their hospital staff, who see between 30 to 50 COVID patients at a time.
For example, at St. Vincent, there are 3 units dedicated to COVID, which cannot house any other patients who might come in with heart attacks or strokes or need surgery.
One representative from UPMC Hammett says masking and vaccination efforts become increasingly important in the winter months.
Right now we have more cases in the area before the holidays than we did last year. So again, just cautioning everyone to be really aware if anyone's ill in your family or if you're doing gatherings, to make sure people aren't having any respiratory symptoms.
Shears says recent COVID case numbers are alarming as we enter the holidays when people gather indoors. She says it's an environment where COVID spreads easily. The county executive says it's disappointing to see local hospital staff overwhelmed with COVID patients more than a year into the pandemic.
We have the tools to stop the spread of this. We have the tools to protect ourselves and our loved ones from the devastation, not only of getting COVID now, but the long-term consequences of the damage that causes to your body.
Hospital representatives say a large percentage of the patients dying from COVID are unvaccinated. They say in order to get through this, more people need to take that step and get a vaccination. Sean?
Yeah, they said 12 out of 14 patients who died in the last week, right?
That's
Unvaccinated.
right.
All right, thank you, Chelsea.